Hello and welcome to Too Sharp with ET. I'm Nisha Podar, and here are the two sharp stories for today that you must know about. Now, market slides as India strikes back. Pakistan stocks crash, but Tata Motors defies the trend. And on international key developments today, well, Fed hits pause, Bitcoin nears $100,000, and Europe cheers the trade deal. Markets dip as India neutralizes Pakistani targets. Late selling dragged the Indian markets lower on Thursday as tensions with Pakistan escalated. Now, the trigger? A fresh military statement from the Defense Ministry, and Sensex fell 412 points, Nifty 50 slipped 141 points. Now, the ministry confirmed that Indian forces had neutralized multiple Pakistani military targets in the north and the west. Now, the morning saw India strike air defense radars, including a system in Lahore. Our response matched Pakistan's aggression, same domain, same intensity, the ministry said. Now, sectors on the watch. Financials led the fall today, down over 1%. HDFC Bank dropped nearly 1%, weighing heavily on Nifty 50. Now, the broader indices underperformed as well. Nifty Mid-Cap 100 fell 2.5%, Small Cap 100 slid 1.9%, but Tata Motors defied all the factors and continued its rally today for a second straight day. The stock rose up to 3.5% intraday. It's up 9% in just two sessions, rebounding 30% from April lows. Bullish sentiment is driven, remember, by momentum from the India-UK trade deal and shareholders' approval for the demerger plan. There's also a cyber alert for the market participants. Adding to the anxiety, well, SEBI issued a cybersecurity advisory after a surge in alert. Now, the BFSI sector is under threat from potential ransomware, supply chain attacks, etc. SEBI urged participants to tighten the SEBI cyber defenses and also follow the latest security protocols. India's volatility index, that rose 21.84, its highest since April 9. It's up now 10 out of last 11 sessions, also reflecting market nervousness. Pakistan Stock Exchange plunges 7%, triggering a trading halt. Across the border, panic has gripped the investors. Now, this came after the local report said that 25 Indian drones were shot down over cities like Karachi and Lahore. It's the second crash in a month for Pakistan's exchanges. The last one came after Trump's global tariff hike. Fed hits pause, Bitcoin nears $100,000, and Europe cheers trade deal. Well, the US Federal Reserve kept the rates unchanged at 4.25 to 4.5%, but flagged rising risks of inflation and job loss. Now, the rate cut hopes have now shifted to July, with odds near 70%, and that sparked a crypto rally. Bitcoin jumped past 98,800. Other altcoins also surged. Analysts say $100,000 is now within striking distance for Bitcoin. Meanwhile, Trump teased a new trade deal with respected countries, he said, widely expected to be the UK. And that sent some of the European exchanges really higher up as trade de-escalation takes place. Asian and US markets also gained on fresh trade optimism. With that, it's a wrap on Too Sharp with ET. Do hit the like button. Goodbye.